What? Leah. What you doing? Come on. Come on. Hey, Leah and I are down here in Sugar Tree, Tennessee. It's not too far from the house, maybe like 35 minutes or so. And we're just a couple miles from the cabin. Thought I would stop, make a quick video since we were down here about what we're doing. And so yeah, today's the day. We're gonna take, this is the first time I've actually ever used the MT45 mobile garage. I don't have all my tools in it. I just threw a bunch of tools in it. And hopefully we brought everything we need to at least get started on the cabin. So I'll show you, well, I'll show you what I threw in it. Okay, threw 3 big ladders in it, chainsaw, my general stuff that I use, sawzalls, battery powered impacts, things like that. Electric sawzall, got some crowbars, things like that. My handy tool bag that I carry everywhere with me. Yeah, we're really excited about going down here and starting on the log cabin. I think it's going to take 2, maybe 3 days to get it done. Today is just going to be going down there and starting some of the disassembly, labeling the logs, kind of just analyzing it. Because when I bought it the other day, I took a pretty good look at it, but not a really close look at it. So anyways, got a car coming. Got to get out of the road. Come on, Leah. Come on. Come on. You doing all right?
I got no choice, young man. How
Yeah.
about you?
Ain't that the truth? I'll take a couple pictures of it.
Oh, listen.
So I don't.
I've enjoyed watching this be here over the years.
Yeah.
I knew the family in
Right.
Lauderdale County this house came from.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. The Barfield. If you read Lauderdale County, Tennessee history,
Yeah.
you'll see there were some of the earliest settlers.
Right. My dog's just gonna get out. I don't know if there's anything I can do about it.
Well, our dog is in the house.
She doesn't normally bother anything, and she stays real close by.
It's not your dog, all right, and my dogs are total idiots.
Yeah. No, she'll stay within 20 or 30 foot of me. She's a really well behaved dog.
That's fine. What's your name, young man?
My name's Travis.
Travis, I'm Lynn. I'm glad to meet you.
All right, nice to meet you, Lynn.
you're going to build, how many bedrooms are you going to have? Just what you got room for?
Six, I think two, like one. Yeah, just like it is. I mean,
are you going to try to make it 2 levels?
Yeah, yeah, I think I will. It really just depends on how many logs I got to replace, and, you know.
Richard wanted it. Where you stop over there.
I don't know. I'll keep it. I'll try to put it back together, but I don't have time to put it together today.
No.
And it needs to just sit up.
Well, Leah and I are here at the cabin, and we've cleaned it up a little bit today. We used the big MT45 truck, and it came in super duper handy. We pulled the vines off of it, chopped down some of the old growth underneath it, and tomorrow I'm going to start the process of taking the cabin down, start with the roof, obviously, and work our way down. It's kind of getting late in the evening. We're starting to run out of light, and I think what I'm going to do is probably take their system where they had it drawn and tagged and convert that into my system. So that's all I'm planning on doing today. So if you want to... But anyways, we're hot, we're sweaty, we're not filming much. We've been working. So here it is, our cabin. I believe that's going to be the front door. And that would have probably been a chimney, or a chimney. And then this would have been maybe a back door, I suppose. And I don't know. Or maybe I have it all wrong. Either way, even if I do have it all wrong, we're excited about it. We think we can take it down and salvage it, make something out of it, give it a new life. You know, even if it lasts, say, 50 years or 20 years, that's fine. I'm happy. It's not perfect, and that's okay. It's got some issues, but we've got another log cabin over there that's already been taken down, and we're going to use some of the logs from it.